Hey, this is Jorge André Cardoso, and in this video, we are going to show you how to create a treatment plan with more complex conditions and treatments. So for this patient, we started by adding moderate wear on the 6 anterior teeth. Here I am diagnosing periodontal condition on some teeth with periodontitis and also with some gingival recession. Now a missing tooth and also a severely damaged tooth. Adding an endodontic condition with unsatisfactory root canal treated tooth. A large apical lesion on the upper left lateral. Two impacted teeth. Here we are adding a large maxillary sinus, and as you will see in the plan, we will be then able to do a sinus lift here. Some more missing teeth. So we are done with the diagnosis of this patient, and now we are moving to the plan section. So I added 2 endodontic treatments to the plan, but the second one, I'm going to delete that, and I'm going to change that for a root canal treatment with instrument removal, because I had diagnosed a fractured instrument on that canal. Here planning 6 anterior veneers. And now the sinus lift on the tooth that I have previously diagnosed with a large maxillary sinus. An implant on the same tooth, now that we have done the sinus lift. Bridges are also very easy to add to the plan. Here planning to extract the impacted canine, then doing an implant on that place, placing an onlay on the severely damaged tooth, and that's it. We are ready to go for the report section. And again, here on the report, you can see the 360 dental health, the circle that has been changed according to our diagnosed items. Then you can see the page with the perfect dentition, the current situation, and what we are planning to do. Then the diagnose section with all the items and the descriptions. And remember that these descriptions, they can be edited by you on the preferences section. And then the plan section, again with the descriptions of the planned treatments, and some final words for our patient. Now, as you can see, it's very easy to do treatment plans even with complex conditions and treatments.